Hello there, welcome back. Happy Monday. Mr. Will here with a video for Feed Me Pie and Divide and Conquer for Monday, April 6th, 2020. Hope you had a great weekend and you're refreshed and re-energized, ready for another great week of online instruction. Last week, we were talking about problem solving with proportional relationships, and we're going to continue to talk about that again today. Now, last week, we took a parts and figured out the whole. Today, what we're going to be doing is we know the whole, and we're going to figure out the different amounts for the parts. So, this problem, we have a gentleman named Samuel. Samuel pays $31.50 for a jacket. The amount includes a 5% sales tax. How much is the jacket without tax? Now, I used a diagram to display my understanding of this problem. So, the price of the jacket and the tax is equal to 105%. Now, let me break that down for you. The price of the jacket is the total cost. That would be 100%. This sales tax is 5%. So the cost of the jacket, which would be 100% of the cost, plus the sales tax would give you actually the price of the jacket and tax of $105. So the $31.50 would be 105% of the cost that you paid. Now, one thing that we need to remember as we solve this problem of how much is the jacket without tax is to remember that when we are using percents, we need to convert those percents to decimals. Now, when you do a percent over 100, it would be written like this. So this would be 105% as a percent. If you were to write that as a decimal, you would write it as 1.05 or 1 5/100. That's how you would write the decimal 105% as a percent. Now, as we solve this, we're going to let P equal the price of the jacket. My board is extra wobbly today. P is the price of the jacket. Now, 105% I'm going to write as 1.5. So 1.5 times P equals 31.50. That's right. Now, what this is showing is 105% times the price of the jacket would give me 31.50. Now, what that's going to do is allow me to figure out the price of the jacket. What we need to do is isolate this variable. You do that by performing the inverse operation. So since we're multiplying, we're going to divide by 1.05. If we do it to one side of the equation, we have to do it to the other. So 31 divided by 1.05. That dividing by the same number cancels that out, and we're left with P. And then on this side, I have 31 divided by 50, 31.50 divided by 1.5, excuse me. And when we do that, that comes out to 30. Now, what that means is the price of the jacket would be $30, which means our tax would be, didn't ask for it, but $1.50. So together, the $30 jacket plus the 5% tax of 1.50 would give us the total cost of the jacket, which would be $31.50. So again, what we did is we took the whole amount, what we knew, and we broke it up into smaller parts. The way that we do this first is to create a diagram so we make sure that we understand what the problem is asking of us. We can then convert our percent into a decimal, and then we can use our decimal times what we're trying to figure out, the price of the jacket, equals the total cost. And what that would give us is the part, or the price of the jacket. Now, I would like you to try to solve problems such as this. I would like you today to work out of your instruction workbook, page 108 and 109. Please reach out to me every day from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. If you have any questions, we can video conference, or you can email me throughout the day. Don't forget to take a picture and send me your work each and every day, because the assignments that I give you, they are graded. Please do your very best and keep the lines of communication open. Have a great day. Thanks so much.